We are on question number 10. It is one of the best questions in this series. I would like you to pause the video, copy the question, think about it, and then answer. Question number 10 is, the point P, 2, minus 3, lies on the line, and we are given 5 choices. Now I've added a statement here which says select all possible answers. So there is a possibility of having more than one correct answer in this particular case. So I'd like you to take your own time, answer it, and then look into my suggestions. Now we are looking for point 2, minus 3 on these lines. It really means that you substitute 2 for x and minus 3 for y. And if the equation is satisfied, then it works, right? So what we're looking for is, if I put x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3, my equation should be satisfied. Now, if we start from here, x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3, then we have 2 minus 3 minus 5 is not equal to 0. We need sum of x and y as 5, which is not the case. Now in this case, we need sum of x and y as minus 1, which is true, right? So when you add these two terms, you do get minus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0. So that is one of the correct answers. Now here, we need x. If I put x as 2 and y as minus 3, so it becomes 5, so this is also not satisfied. Now these two are kind of critical. Now if you see, if I put x equals to 2, what happens? If I put x equals to 2, I get 2 equals to 2, and that is always true. Do you see that? So this is a right answer also. How about y equals to minus 3? If I put y equals to minus 3, I get minus 3 equals to minus 3. So this is also true. So we have 3 different solutions in this particular case. Now let's have a closer look at all these 3 solutions. It's kind of a very good questions, and I would like you to really think about it. Now, if I am saying x equals to 2, that means we have a line which is a vertical line, right? Now this line is x equals to 2. At every point, we have x value of 2. Y could be anything, right? So y could be minus 3 also. That is the idea. Y could be minus 3 also. So that point is on this line. Now when I say y equals to minus 3, then basically I'm saying this is the horizontal line, which is y equals to minus 3. And now you see that this point is my point, which is 2 and minus 3. It lies on both these lines. Do you see that? Now equation C is basically, you could write that equation as, let me use a different ink. So I rearrange, I'll get y equals 2. So equation C is y, which is this one, equals to minus x minus 1, right? So basically with a slope of negative 1, it starts with y-intercept of minus 1. So this is minus 3. I'm saying something here, right? So we can draw a line like this going through that point, correct? So this is my line which represents x plus y plus 1. As you can see very clearly, all these 3 lines will go through the point 2 minus 3, right? That is my x-axis, and this is my y-axis with origin in the center. I hope you appreciate it. That's the point P we're talking about. That is one of the most beautiful questions in this set. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.